class of kingdom fungi is Ascomycetes. Ascomycetes is also known as sac fungi. This Ascomycetes is also known as the sac fungi. This fungus consists of both types of fungus on the basis of cellular complexity. One is unicellular, that is yeast, which is scientifically known as Saccharomyces, and multicellular fungus is there, which is named as Penicillium. So in this group, two different types of fungus can exist on the basis of cellular complexity. One is unicellular, which is known as the yeast, and second is the multicellular, that is named as the Penicillium. अगर हम इनके न्यूट्रिशन की बात करें तो what type of nutrition they can show? They are parasitic, they are saprophytic, and also the coprophilous type of fungi. Coprophilous means which feeds on dung, जो हमेशा dung पर feed करती हैं. They are known as the coprophilous fungi. If we talk about the mycelium, then the mycelium is of branched and septate type. Branched and septate type of mycelium is present in the group Ascomycetes. अगर हम asexual spores की बात करें, means what type of asexual reproduction will be there? Then this asexual reproduction takes place by the help of the spores, that is named as conidia. These conidias are non-motile and produce exogenously on special branch or hyphae of fungus, which is named as conidiophore. How they exist on the conidiophore? Suppose that this is the conidia and this is branched but septate condition is there. These are the septas, and when the exogenous spore formation takes place, then these spores get formed like this. So this is the formation of the conidia on the fungus Penicillium, and they produced exogenously, means किसी sac में present नहीं होते. जो hyphae का branched structure है, that is surrounded by a thick wall, and they will forms the conidia, और इससे conidia की formation होती है. So this is the method how the conidia produced on it. If we talk about the sexual reproduction, then the sexual reproduction basically takes place by the formation of ascospore. These ascospores are the sexual spores, and these ascospores produced in ascus. Due to the presence of such type of the fruiting body where the ascospores develop. This is the type of the fruiting body where the ascospores develop. Due to this name, it is known as the Ascomycetes. और इस ascus के नाम पर ही इस ग्रुप का नाम Ascomycetes पड़ा. This ascus, generally this is the ascus, suppose that, and in this ascus there is the production of 4 sexual spores in it. Maximum there is present only 8 spores, but these 4 spores produced meiotically, and after the formation of these 4 spores, all these spores undergo माइटोटिक डिवीजन, और जैसे ही ये माइटोटिक डिवीजन करते हैं their number will be doubled and it produce the 8 spores in it. So this sac-like structure is named as ascus and they are named as ascospores. And generally 4 ascospores are there, but when the mitotic division takes place here, then their number become increases and get doubled. Means generally 8 ascospores can exist in one ascus. So this is about the reproduction. Now examples of this group. First is the penicillium. This penicillium is used for production of antibiotic. Production of antibiotic. And the antibiotic named penicillin, that was produced by the Alexander Fleming and got the Nobel Prize for his discovery. तो पेनिसिलिन जो है वो एंटीबायोटिक को प्रोड्यूस करने में यूज होती है. सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल इज एस्परजिलस. एस्परजिलस, इस एस्परजिलस में डिफरेंट वेराइटीज हैं. कुछ वेराइटीज एंटीबायोटिक्स प्रोड्यूस करती हैं, एंटीबायोटिक्स, और कुछ वेराइटीज ह्यूमंस में डिजीज कोज करने का काम कर रही है. ह्यूमन डिजीज, जैसे अगर हम बात करें ईयर पेन की, कान में दर्द, और कान में दर्द का होना कई बार एस्परजिलोसिस नाम की डिजीज से होता है. और एस्परजिलोसिस क्या है? जब कान के अंदर एस्परजिलस नाम का फंगस ग्रो कर जाता है, देन इट रिजल्ट्स इनटू द ईयर पेन. नेक्स्ट आता है यीस्ट, विच इज यूज्ड इन बेकरी फॉर फर्मेंटेशन प्रोसेस. बेकरी में फर्मेंटेशन प्रोडक्ट या फर्मेंटेशन प्रोसेस के लिए इसे यूज किया जाता है. नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल इज न्यूरोस्पोरा. न्यूरोस्पोरा मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट. दिस न्यूरोस्पोरा is also known as the Drosophila of plant kingdom. It is known as Drosophila of plant kingdom and it is used in genetic work. जेनेटिक वर्क में इसे यूज किया जाता है. बीटल और टेटम नाम के साइंटिस्ट ने वन जीन वन एंजाइम हाइपोथेसिस के लिए सबसे पहले इस न्यूरोस्पोरा को यूज किया और उनके सक्सेसफुल डिस्कवरी के लिए उन्हें नोबेल प्राइज भी मिला. नेक्स्ट इज द मोरेल्स एंड ट्रफल्स. मोरेल्स एंड ट्रफल्स, these two are the special fungi which are edible, means we can use in our food. इन फंगस को हम खाने में यूज कर सकते हैं. They are known as edible fungus. So this is all about the group Ascomycetes. In the next group we will discuss about the Basidiomycetes.